This 5-minute solution will show you how to log out WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you want to sign out of your WhatsApp account, follow these simple solutions. WhatsApp doesn't provide any direct option to sign out or log out of your WhatsApp account. But here's a little tricks you can follow to sign out. First of all, open your WhatsApp, tap on settings, chats, chat backup, and tap on backup now to create a chat backup. And once your backup is finished, all you have to do is just uninstall your WhatsApp app and then go to App Store and reinstall WhatsApp. Once it's installed, open the WhatsApp app, agree and continue. Enter here your mobile number, tap on restore. After restoring your backup, you will get all of your previous chats histories. So this is how we can log out WhatsApp on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.